Alright, I'll walk you through on how to create and manage your purchase orders. First, we go to the Pricebook and select purchase orders. Or do it quickly like I do. Use the smart search and search for purchase orders. So go to the top right and click Add PO. From here, you select the vendor from the drop-down and then hit Save. That opens up your purchase order. Before we start adding items, I always recommend organizing your screen. You can show or hide columns like cost, size, or case. Drag columns around so everything you need is right in front of you. This just makes your workflow faster and cleaner, especially if you're doing it regularly. On the side, you can also click the search option in case you want to search an item by the name, by the size, by the case cost. You also have color boost in case for readability. You can add that in so it gives you a grid and a more colorful effect as well. You could also be able to filter out details that you're looking for specifically. And in case you want to edit items, you could just select them and go ahead and edit them from here. And this is where you could make changes onto those specific items. If you notice that you cannot make any changes to the extended cost, from the top selection, click on Fix Extended Cost. Once you select that, you'll be able to go ahead and make changes to them. So there are two ways you can create your purchase order, through an AI scan or a manual entry. Let me show you the AI way first, since that's what most people use. So right on top, we click on Scan Invoice Receipt. On the left, you'll see a list of templates. These are vendor specific. For example, if we pick Atlas Distributor, that template is already trained to read the vendor's invoices. If you don't see your vendor in the scan templates, just send us about 5 invoices, which would be PDF, and we'll train the system for you. That's a one-time setup, and after that, it works automatically and you'll see your vendor as part of the list. Click Next, then just drag and drop your invoice here. The clearer the invoice, the better the system reads it. The system will now scan everything like the items, barcodes, pricing, quantities, and once it's done, you'll see everything populated here. Once it loads up, you'll notice a couple of icons. This could mean that maybe an item is not activated or some information is missing. You can go ahead and clear that out later on, but just make sure to finish the red ones because it will not allow you to confirm and move forward. Now you're back to the purchase order screen and everything from the invoice is already added. This is where we just do a quick check. If you see the red icons, that just means that the item isn't active. You can click on it individually, or you can select multiple items and click Edit and then turn on Active and save it. The yellow ones are missing information, like maybe departments or tax. You can update those as needed, not always urgent, but good to clean up. Okay, now quickly check the case size, units, cost, extended cost, and most importantly, make sure your order total and invoice total match exactly. If they don't, just double check the items. Once everything looks good, click Commit PO. This is important because this pushes everything into your system. It updates your product pricing, updates your inventory, and syncs with the POS. Now we move to the second method, which is manual entry. If you don't want to scan, you can do it manually. Just click Add Entries, then you can scan the barcode or enter it manually. Or if you have multiple items, you can even do a bulk scan. Then hit Save and continue the same way. Now let's say you just received an order and paid for it, and you don't want to spend time entering everything right now. You can use Quick PO. Just add the vendor, add the amount, select the payment type, and save. That logs the purchase instantly, and later you can reopen it and update details properly. Cronysoft also provides an additional service. Once you contact us and avail the service, you can then simply upload your invoices to Drive X and set the status to do, and our team will process everything for you. Once you get used to it, this whole process takes just a few minutes, especially with AI Scan. The goal here is less manual work, fewer errors, and faster updates across your system. And that is it for the purchase order. If you ever need clarifications, you can always refer back to this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.